New this year, J&M released the iFarm Express grain cart scale system. This is a base scale system used to replace standard scale systems on almost every grain cart scale out there. It allows you to remote connect to the device using a standard iPad, Android device. Allows you to manually log the weight you're unloading and also perform simple transaction recording. It's a very simple system to use, but it also allows you to have other features that you didn't have in other scale systems that would charge a lot for the option or just wasn't available. And one of them is remote display. You can connect this iFarm device to other iPads or Android devices in the field at the same time to see live remote weight. So you can calibrate your yield monitor or check how much weight you have on your truck when you're being loaded. To use the iFarm Express, it's pretty simple. Basically, we just plug in 12-volt power or use the included AA battery inside of here, and then also plug into any scale system. The only requirements we have is that you have a 4-pin scale connector from a junction box. So all your scale bars need to go to a junction box and then to a single cable, which will then be plugged into the bottom of the iFarm Express box. We will mount this unit on the front of a grain cart. Close to, for a J&M grain cart, we mount it on where the safety decals are at on the front leg. And bolt it on there, plug in our scale bar cables, and then on our harness for our lights and turn signals, we have an accessory port that draws 12-volt powers anytime the key is on your tractor. So with this plugged in and powered on, we're going to go to the Apple App Store and we're going to download the free iFarm Express app. Just search J&M iFarm Express and then download the app. Yours will look a little bit different than mine because I've already downloaded this. I'm just downloading it again in order to show you an example. So now that it's on there, we can go back to the home page and we can hit the iFarm Express. So here's the iFarm Express app. Right now it's looking for general initial setups. Right now it's asking, do you want to use a Bluetooth? And yes, make sure your Bluetooth is turned on. It's going to ask if you want to use your location. Every single time the iFarm Express, you unload with it, it'll save that GPS information that you have on your iPad or Android device. And we're going to say allow while using app. Now it's telling me that no devices are paired. We hit OK, and then we're going to navigate to the equipment page. In the equipment page, we're going to add a piece of equipment. We hit the plus button. We're going to name, I'm going to call it iFarm Express Demo. All right, so we have iFarm Express Demo, and we're going to keep the display rounding to 20 pounds. Hit the done button up here, and then now it's going to search for a device. It's searching for all the iFarm Expresses in the area, and it's going to connect to the closest one. This takes about 10 seconds. Successfully paired the device, we hit OK, and that's it. If you ever want to delete a paired device and you connected to the wrong one, you can always swipe to the left and then hit unpair. So we are now currently connected. I have my scale bars turned on. It tells me right here that I'm connected to 12-volt power. And basically this system's ready to go, other than we need to zero out our scale and then also calibrate our scale system. We'll do that in the next video.